Welcome back, guys. This is the Stock Estate. I'm an ex-financial advisor, and today we are going to be talking about SBE stock, which, the merger date has been delayed. Okay, so just jump straight into the table of contents. So today, the first part, I'm going to talk about the new proposed merger date, okay? And is it really that date? And is there subjected to more changes? Okay, we're going to dive further into that later. Second part, I'm going to talk about the technical analysis and one key area I'm actually looking for. And if it breaks that area, okay, it will actually determine how I'm going to trade this stock, okay? And lastly, the most important part, the most interesting part, right, is what is my plan to trade SBE right now, okay? So what I want to achieve with this is, okay, I don't want you to blindly copy my plan, but I do want you to use it as a guide, okay, and see how I craft my own plan, and for you to use that information to craft your own plan, your own exit strategy, and you will gain the most profit out of that. Okay, and for my new subscribers, welcome. Type down in the comment section below what kind of video you wish to see. For my new viewers here, subscribe. Join the community of investors who plan for their exit strategy and make decisions based on logic, not emotion. And to everyone here that's watching, thank you very much. An early like button will really help out the YouTube algorithm and the channel and encourage me to put up more great content. Alright, let's jump straight into the video with wasting no time. Let's go. To start, okay, the new proposed merger date, right, is actually 15 January 2021 after looking through its SEC filings, okay, but however, there is a disclaimer below that is still subjected to changes, okay, but okay, we taking it as it's true, okay, this is the new timeline that we are looking at, okay, so we have another roughly 1 more month to run, okay, for this to possibly run up or deflate, okay, so this is the new timeline that you should be looking at, and this is an important date that you should note down. And any further updates, maybe I'll make an update video. Okay, let's jump straight into the juicy, delicious technical analysis. Okay, so technical analysis, right? Let's look at this. Okay, so SBE, right? SBE, at the start has been trading around this level, so the teens levels, the teens, the $10, $13, $12, $18, $16. Then suddenly it just exploded off the charts destruction, okay, then it's just been moving very parabolically down and up and down. Okay, but one very, very important fact or interesting point I've been looking, this is the daily chart, by the way, okay, is that, it's clearly respecting this 20 moving average, okay, and it's going up, okay, parabolically down, okay, bounce off this 20 moving average up and down, and now it's bouncing up again, okay, but however, I'm looking at this as a very, very important area, okay, this is the key area I'm talking about, okay, this key area, okay, so the next few days, right, okay, let's take a look. The next few days, okay, it's actually crucial, okay, the next few days price movement is actually crucial, okay, so why do I say that, okay, because, okay, you look at this area, okay, if it breaks below this 20 moving average, right, I can see it actually going downwards, okay, in a sense, okay, if you know technical analysis, it will form a inverse head and shoulders, okay, but okay, basically almost every single stock right now is in a head and shoulders pattern, so I won't really worry too much about that. But if it closes below this 20 MA very strongly, okay, then I can see it going on a downtrend, maybe to this support level over here. Okay, but however, if it bounces up the next few days, right, okay, I can see it going up all the way, okay, to previous all-time highs or even breaking its all-time highs. So the next few days will be very crucial. And what is another thing that supports, that I feel very strongly that supports my own thesis is, okay, look at yesterday's candle, okay, look at this candle, okay, this candle over here. Okay, let me just do a little doodle. Okay, this candle over here. Okay, what is this candle? This candle is there's a technical term for this. Okay, but okay, basically this candle you can see has a very small body and a very, very long wick. Okay, what does this mean? This basically means, right, there's indecision in the markets. That means there's people who are unsure. The buyers and sellers are unsure of where this will go actually. So there's a lot of high selling pressure, but a lot of people will just buy it up again, a lot of buying pressure, and the sellers will sell it down again. So there's a lot of indecision in these markets here, okay? And many people, honestly, I think they are thinking the same thing as me, okay? They're just thinking that whether this will go back down, breaking past this, or go back up again, okay? And so the next few days, right, if any news comes out, any fundamental news, okay, technical analysis is always used as a guide, okay? Fundamental analysis ultimately dictates, the movement itself. So any negative news comes out and it breaks this, right, the selling that is induced by fundamental analysis will be further exaggerated or exacerbated by technical analysis, because everybody sees that it's going bearish, everybody will sell, let's do more selling, and let's go all the way down. Okay, but if any good news comes out, okay, or like example, the proposed merger date is confirmed or it's brought forward, boom, okay, goes to the moon. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I'm going to see what next few days is about. Okay, if it close up here, then I'll tell you my plan for later. Okay, if it close down all the way here, I also have another plan for that. Alright, so technical analysis wise, this is what I'm looking at actually. Okay, so now we can look at the one key thing. Okay, as I said before, one key thing I'm looking for is price rejection at the $35 and $36 levels. Okay, so if you see this area, right? So let's look at this. Okay, the $36 is around here. $36. Okay, if it breaks past this level, right? Okay, if it breaks past all the way up this level, the previous candle lows, right? Okay, I can see that it has been a chance of a bullish run all the way up. Okay, but if it closes below this 20 moving average around here, okay, then I can see that it's more bearish in a sense. Okay, so alright, now look at the next few days. Price movement is crucial. Again, I really emphasize this. Okay, be patient. Don't just jump into it. Okay, just take some time off, just look at the price movement for the next few days. Okay, and what's my own plan? Okay, this is my take on it. Okay, please do your own analysis and do your own due diligence. Okay, I'm an ex-financial advisor. Okay, I want to inform you guys about things. Okay, but however, you need to make your own decisions and you need to craft your own exit plan, because the amount of risk that all of us are willing to take are different. Okay, you may be able to stomach 50% loss. I might not be able to stomach 50% loss. You know what I mean? All risk management techniques are different. All of the amount of cash that we have, our positions are also different. Okay, so what's my trade plan for now? Wait. Come on, bro. You don't think else to just wait? Of course not. Okay, so there's more definitely. Okay, so as I said before, wait for the next few days, at least to the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, and see what is the price movement. And okay, so now this is plan A. Okay, so if it bounces bullishly above the moving average, right, I'll set a trailing stop loss of $2, which is the average true range of the 21 days. Okay, so what is a trailing stop loss? Okay, trailing stop loss is basically, if you don't know what it is, please go and Google. Okay, so but it's basically the stop loss will move up with the price itself. Okay, so if it breaks bullishly here, okay, I would buy and I would set a trailing stop loss to have unlimited upside but limited downside. So the trailing stop loss I'm going to put at is $2, which is the ATR. Okay, if you don't know what the ATR is, it's basically, let me give you an example. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see the one day chart, right? This is the 1 day chart. Okay, so the average true range basically is the amount of fluctuations that happens in a day. Okay, but if I set it at ATR of 21 days, that means the average true fluctuations of the average of the last 21 days. So for the ATR of today, or this day, right, is the lows of here to the highs of here. So basically it's around, you can see it's around 33 to 36, which is around $3. Okay, so for that day itself, it's $3. But however, for the last 21 days, average out is around $2, which I calculated. So this will prevent, the stop loss being too narrow and we get stopped out. Okay, and the worst thing is you get a stop loss eaten and you just lose your open profits. Okay, and if it closes bearishly, right, this is my plan B. Okay, if it closes bearishly, okay, we look at this chart again. If it closes down all the way here, right, bearishly down, okay, the moving average most likely because of rotation out of SPACs, because the negative news I predict. Okay, don't fact check me on this, but I feel, okay, my own gut feeling is the SPACs will deflate again. Okay, and if there's rotation out of these SPACs, maybe to recovery plays or turnaround plays, then my plan is I will not be entering this trade until it reaches the bottom. Okay, I will not be touching this. Okay, there's better opportunities elsewhere. There's always better opportunities out in the market. So there's other specs to trade. There's other things, other stocks like turnaround stocks that you might want to look at as well. There's a better opportunity. So I will not be entering it if it breaks down, and until I can see a definite bottom, then I'll re-enter the markets. Okay, so, and I leave you the lastly, it's a nice quote, okay, so it's a mindset. I always like to leave you in the mindset, right, that patience is a virtue, okay, don't be too hasty. Okay, don't be too hasty, honestly. So don't just jump into this because you can't wait. I'm very anxious. Okay, sometimes the more anxious you are, the worse the mistakes that you make. Okay, so just look at the price action of the movement for the next few days. Chill out a little bit, take a drink, take some coffee, drink some beer. And yeah, just look at the price movement, and if it goes up, we have a chance to make a huge killing of SBE. And SBE, long-term wise, I also see pretty good fundamentals. Okay, the next few years we'll have a lot to prove, but I'm really also slightly more bullish than bearish on this stock fundamentally. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Okay, if you really like the video, smash the like button, okay, and subscribe to join this family for more videos like this, okay, so that you will not miss the video if you click that like button and click that notification bell. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I wish you a very, very good day ahead and stock and stay out.